In this video, I will be showing you how to verify the privacy settings of your NotebookLM notebooks to ensure your data stays secure. To confirm the official security standing of my data, I'm heading over to a Google search to look up the privacy policy for this tool. As you can see from the overview, NotebookLM notebooks are private by default, which is essential for anyone working with sensitive information or proprietary content. A key takeaway here is that Google does not use your uploaded sources, such as your PDFs or Google Docs, to train their general AI models. This means your personal research and intellectual property remain completely yours and are never shared with the wider public or used for machine learning without your permission. Now, let's head back into the site so I can show you how to check these settings on an individual basis. I'm going to click into one of my recent notebooks from the list. Once it loads, you can see my uploaded documents on the left and the chat interface in the center. To verify exactly who has access to this specific project, I'll click on the Share button located in the top right corner of the screen. When the sharing dialog opens, you'll notice that the access is set to Restricted by default. This confirms that only I, as the owner, can view or interact with this notebook. While there are options in the drop-down to change this to anyone with a link or even make it public, it's reassuring to see that the system defaults to the most secure setting from the moment a notebook is created. I'll simply close this window and get back to my research. By using this tool, I can interact with my personal knowledge base like a chatbot to get accurate summaries and key points. This process ensures that every answer I receive is strictly grounded in the specific files I have provided, keeping my workflow both efficient and entirely private. If you found this walkthrough helpful, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick tips and tutorials.